Hello guys, struggling to stay away from acne and marks is one of the biggest concern for most women across the world. We often look for simple solutions like buying expensive cosmetic products, various salon treatments, or else we go for medications to get rid of stubborn acne. No matter whatever quick solutions we try, the best way to cure acne is by going natural. According to the books of Ayurveda, there are a plethora of natural remedies that you can prepare using some easily available ingredients in your kitchen. Clove is one such spice, which is rich in antioxidants and antibacterial properties. This oil is extracted from the flowers of the tropical clove plant, which has a pale yellow kind of hue. Clove oil has a strong aroma, and can be irritating for people with sensitive skin. It also prevents allergies and bacterial growth in the skin, which in turn helps in getting healthy-looking skin. Apart from solving your acne issues, this magical oil can work wonders in preventing early signs of aging, and it also helps to get an even-toned skin. In this video, we are going to tell you what happens when you apply clove oil on the skin. Number 1. For heals and prevents acne. The antibacterial and antiseptic properties of cloves kill acne-causing bacteria, and keep breakouts at bay. Clove oil contains a compound called eugenol, that helps in treating acne by reducing inflammation and redness. To reap the benefits of clove, mix a few drops of clove essential oil with a carrier oil, and use it as a spot treatment or add it to your daily moisturizer, and apply it all over the face. Avoid using clove oil if you have sensitive skin. 2. Fights the signs of aging. Did you know clove oil is a powerful anti-aging ingredient used in cosmetics? It works in reducing skin sagging, and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The application of clove oil improves blood circulation, which gives skin a youthful and radiant look. Mix a few drops of clove oil in your serum or moisturizer, and apply on cleansed skin at night, before going to bed for the best results. 3. Fades dark spots and blemishes. Apart from healing and preventing acne, another clove oil benefit is that it also fades dark spots and blemishes left behind by acne and pimples. It has mild exfoliating properties that remove dead skin cells and ensure an even skin tone. Mix a few drops of clove essential oil with a carrier oil, and massage onto your face in circular motions. Repeat every night for the best results. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Watching for more videos, subscribe to our channel.